Hello students, today we are going to continue the chapter 1 number system. Okay, in number system, first of all I would like to tell you the numbers, types of numbers. Okay, there are two types of numbers. First is real and second is imaginary. First is real and second is imaginary. Okay, imaginary number we will study in higher classes. Okay, so come to the on real number. There are two types of real number. First is rational and second is irrational. Okay, in rational again there are three types of numbers: natural, whole and integers. ठीक है, natural number is known as counting number, started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. The smallest natural number is 1. The smallest natural number is 1 and greatest is not defined. Okay, now whole number, if we include 0 in the set of natural number, then it becomes the set of whole numbers. Smallest whole number is 1 and greatest is not defined. Okay, the natural number is represented by capital N and whole number is represented by capital W. Okay, and integers represented by Z or I. Okay, the set of whole number and negatives of natural numbers becomes the set of integers. Smallest integer is not defined and greatest integer is not defined. Clear? Now let us see about rational number and irrational. What is rational? A number which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. The denominator of a number should not be equals to 0. 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. 0 is also a rational number because it can be represent P upon Q 0 upon as 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 3, etc. Okay. For example, 1 upon 2 minus 8 upon 7 minus 3 upon 2, 5 upon 11, etc. These are all rational numbers because 1, the denominator 1 and the numerator is 1 and denominator is 2 are integers, and this denominator is not equals to 0. Okay. So 5 upon 0 is not a rational number. Clear? Now irrational number. Irrational number, a number which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. जिस नंबर को P अपॉन Q की फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते वो नंबर क्या होता है? रेशनल नंबर होता है. ओके. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल √2, √3, √5, √7, etc. clear? √2 upon √4, √9, √16 are not irrational because √4 is equals to 2, √9 equals to 3, √16 equals to 4. ठीक है. These are the perfect square number. So √4 is 2, √9 is equals to 3 and √16 is equals to 4. Okay. तो रूट के अंदर अगर कोई परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर आ रहा है तो वो रेशनल, इरेशनल नहीं, रेशनल होगा. क्लियर? नाउ सी, ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आर रेशनल, ऑल होल नंबर आर. देखो जितने भी नेचुरल हैं, दिस इज द सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, दिस इज द सेट ऑफ होल नंबर, this is the set of integers, this is the set of real, rational, or this is the set of real. इस रियल में ये इरेशनल और इंक्लूड करो. तो जितने भी नेचुरल हैं वो होल भी होते हैं, इंटीजर भी होते हैं, रेशनल भी होंगे, रियल भी होंगे. जितने होल है वो इंटीजर्स भी होंगे, रेशनल भी होंगे, रियल भी होंगे। जितने इंटीजर्स है वो रेशनल भी होंगे, रियल भी होंगे। जितने रेशनल है वो रियल भी होंगे। ऑल रियल नंबर्स आर नॉट होल नंबर, ऑल रेशनल नंबर आर नॉट होल नंबर, ऑल रेशनल नंबर आर नॉट इंटीजर, ऑल रेशनल नंबर आर नॉट होल नंबर। क्लियर? So let us start exercise 1.1. Now exercise 1.1, question number 1. Is 0 is a rational number? Can you write it in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0? So solution is yes, 0 is a rational number. Because it can be represented it can be represented in the form P upon Q. For example, 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 3, 0 upon 4, etc. Okay. Earlier I told you that 0 is a rational number. Okay. Find question number 2. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. We have to find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. As you know that there are infinitely many numbers lie between the two given numbers. Two rational number के between infinitely rational number lie करते हैं. Okay. तो solution देखिए. We have to find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Okay. तो 3 को हम ये लिख दें 3 upon 1 into 6 हमें फाइंड करना है. तो 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 3 7 21 upon 7. We can write 3 as 21 upon 7. Okay. And 4 equals to 4 upon 1 into 7 upon 7. 28 upon 7. क्लियर? तो 3 और 4 के बिटवीन 6 रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करना है. तो हमने 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 7 से डिवाइड कर दिया. ऐसे ही 4 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई 7 से डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके. नाउ 6 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7 आर 21 upon 7 के बाद 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. क्या किया? 3 को 6 रेशनल नंबर हमें फाइंड करने हैं. तो 3 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 7 से डिवाइड कर दिया. ऐसे ही 4 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई 7 से डिवाइड. तो 21 upon 7 आ गया या 28 upon 7 आ गया. तो 6 rational number between 21 7 and 28 upon 7 are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. Okay. Now question number 3. Find 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. We have to find 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. तो solution देखिए. We can write 3 upon 5 as, देखो 5 फाइंड करने हैं तो 6 से मल्टीप्लाई 6 से डिवाइड यानी 18 upon 30. ओके. 4 upon 5 इक्वल्स टू 4 upon 5 इंटू 6 से मल्टीप्लाई 6 से डिवाइड 24 upon 30. तो 5 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 18 upon 30 and 24 upon 30 are, so 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. These are the 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. We can write infinitely rational number between the given 2 rational number. Okay. Now question number 4. State whether the following statement are true or false. Give reason for your answer. The first statement is every natural number is a whole number. Yes, this statement is true because whole number contains all natural numbers, because whole number contains all natural numbers. So all natural number, every natural number is a whole number. Number 2, every integer is a whole number. This is false because -2 is an integer but it is not a whole number. Clear? Number 3, every rational number is a whole number. This is false because -3 upon 7 is a rational but it is not a whole number. क्लियर? तो -3 upon 7 है, रेशनल तो है बट होल नहीं है, तो एवरी रेशनल नंबर इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. ओके, थैंक यू.